Hello everyone, my name is Rajesh Chatterjee. I'm the founder and CEO of Delipat IT. Delipat is your authorized Salesforce implementation partner. Welcome to another video of Salesforce products. In the last video, we discussed the self-service and customer community plus license. In this second part, I will be talking about the remaining two licenses that Salesforce Community Cloud has, which name as partner and the lightning licenses. Let's discuss the partner community license. This license allows the business to sell their product or services through a different distribution channels. Using this license, any business can make edits to sales data or the campaign or the opportunities data. The first feature of this license is called digital experience management. Digital experience management, it allows the business to create an online platform for their partners' ecosystem. This includes the feature like creating and customizing the portals and the forums and the self-service customer community portals. This will allow and engage and connect with your audience, the customer's audience. Suppose ABC software solution providers offers a variety of products for the different industries. They wanted to expand its market reach on a global scale. So the company partnered with resellers, distributors, and consultants who can promote and sell its software solutions. This company, they need to streamline the communications. They need to provide the access to the resources and manage the leads effectively while incentivizing the partners through the programs and funding for the marketing activities. So through this digital experience management feature, ABC software solution provider can create a user-friendly partner community. Here, the partner can access the product information, the training materials, the marketing collaterals, and the supported resources. This enhances the partner engagement by providing a centralized platform for informations and communications. Let's talk about the next feature that is called Partner Central Template. Salesforce Community Cloud Partner Central Template is a very powerful solution that is designed to streamline the collaboration and the communication between the organization and its partners. With customizable features, it enables you to take a branded and engaging partner portal where you can share the vital resources, the information, the fostering the stronger relationship and boosting the partner and the productivity. This template provides a user-friendly interface, making it easier for your partners to access the information they need. Ultimately, it drives the growth and success in your partner ecosystem. Correct. So ABC Software Solution, the company, ABC company employees use the Partner Central templates to optimize the partner engagement. This pre-configured solutions, it streamlines the partner onboarding and provides a specialized tool such as lead management and deal registrations, enhancing the collaboration and communication with the partners. The template performance analytics offers a valuable insights while accessing to the training resources and a robust support mechanism that empowers the partners for success. Scalability and personalization, this particular options, it ensures the adaptability as the ABC partners ecosystem continues to grow and expand. This comprehensive approach, it strengthens the partner relationship, it drives a good revenue growth, and it contributes to the ABC software solutions broader market presence. By leveraging the Partner Central template, the company ABC company has transformed its partner interactions, fostering to the to more collaborative and productive environment. Partners benefit from these streamlined processes, by the way. It access to a vital resources and actionable insights, it resulting in a mutually beneficial partnership that drives the business growth and extends the ABC's market reach. Now, we will be discussing the lead distribution and the deal registration feature of partner community. Okay, so this often involves that lead distribution and the deal registration are a very vital aspects of Salesforce Community Cloud, especially for those organizations which collaborates with partners networks, right? So lead distribution, it automates the assignment of the leads to the partner based on the criteria, whatever you set, such as geography of the lead or the lead source or it ensures the effective lead allocations, right? So on the other hand, deal registration enables the partner to register the sales opportunities they are actively pursuing in the current stage. So that fostering the transparency and the fair consumption when the potential customers express interest through the XYZ tech ABC's technical website. These inquiries becomes a lead end of the day. So Salesforce community, the community cloud, it automatically assign the leads to the partners based on the factors like location, product interest, or whatever factor that you decide. For instance, a lead from a German manufacturing company interested in XYZ tech manufacturing software, which is routed to the German partner with expertise in the manufacturing solutions. Correct. So this ensures that the leads are promptly directed to the most suitable partners, increasing the conversion chances. The German partner is actively working on closing a deal with the manufacturing companies. That's an example, right? And this actually helps the customer to submit a deal through the deal registration. That's a feature of Salesforce Community Cloud. The registration includes details about the opportunity. The XYZ tech company, it reviews and approves the deal registration, offering the protection of the partners for the opportunity. Throughout the sales cycle, the partner and the XYZ tech, they collaborate using the platform, tracking the progress and accessing the resources. This is like efficient process to motivate the partners to actively pursue the opportunities, and this will help expanding the XYZ tech the tech company's market reach and driving to the revenue growth through its partner network. Next, we will be discussing about a feature where the campaign partners can create and participate in the marketing campaign within the community, Salesforce Community Cloud, and they can collaborate on the joint promotional activities. So let's imagine there is a tech partnership between like ABC company and another LLC company. Okay, so they are aiming to launch a brand new product together. With Salesforce Community Clouds, the campaign feature, the feature called campaign feature, these partners can seamlessly craft and execute the joint marketing campaigns together. From webinars to social media blitz, and they pool resources, they double their outreach, and they create a market synergy that maximize the impact while minimizing the effort through this particular software. Moving on onto the channel analytics, that's another feature. So channel analytics refers to the process of collecting, analyzing, and driving the insights of data related to the performance and the effectiveness of the marketing and the sales channels. These sales channels can include the various digital and traditional marketing platforms, distributing networks, partners channel, and sales channels. Channel analytics, it helps the business making the data-driven decisions to optimize their marketing, sales, and distribution strategies. Imagine that you are the owner of a manufacturing company, some MFG company, suppose. Okay, so let's say MFG relies on a network of distributors and resellers to sell the products to the various market. However, keeping track on partners' engagement, sales activities, and the performance metrics has become like very challenging for this particular company, like MFG company, whatever I said. Now, MFG company, they sets up a partner community and provides its distributors and the resellers access to the Salesforce Community Cloud. This community serves as a platform for partners to collaborate, access the resources, and engage within the company. Now, this channel, the channel analytics feature, this tracks the partner engagement within the community. Correct? So this definitely measure the metrics such as the login frequency, the participations rate in the discussions, the content sharing, the interactions, right? All these things will be measured by this feature. The dashboard provides, Salesforce standard dashboard, it provides a real-time insights into the partner engagement metrics. Now, MFG, this company can identify active partners and how they are using the platform through this particular system, community cloud system. Lastly, let's discuss the programs and label that features allows this feature allows the companies to define the partners program with the different labels of or tiers based on the performance, contribution, and the achievements. Okay, so you can create a program to categorize or segment the community members based on their interest. Not only based on their interest, based on their interest, role, engagement levels, and other aspects. For an example, you might have a program for loyalty customers and another partner organizations. Programs can be associated with specific benefits or some privilege to the customers. Now, let's say this company, the customer, they classifies its partners into different performance categories or different programs. These programs are based on the partners like sales achievements, the customer satisfaction scores, and the overall engagement levels with their customers, right? For an instance, the gold partner, suppose the gold partner program, they recognize the top performing partners with exactly the exceptional sales and customer satisfaction. Silver partner program, it acknowledges the partners with suppose a consistency of sales performance and the engagement. And let's say emerging partner program is basically which is encouraging the new partners to achieve the milestone and grow within the network, right? So within each of these partner program, these are basically assigned at different levels or tiers. These levels determines the access and the benefit the partner should receive. Suppose the platinum partners in this particular tier, they have access to the premium resources, exclusive products, updates, and the priority supports. The gold partners, suppose they have these particular partners level enjoys the advanced training opportunities, co-marketing initiative, and the dedicated account managers. The silver partner, suppose the silver partners in this particular tier, they receive a standard resources and support to aid their growth, right? And finally, the bronze level, it's basically the entry level. So this particular tier offers a basic partnership benefits to the new and less active partners. So partners logs into the Salesforce Community Cloud portal to access the information about their statuses, their achievements, and the benefit associated with their respective programs and the levels that they have. So they can view their progress. They can view their progress along with including the sales strategies, the customer feedback, and the the certifications that they have completed so far. All these within their partner community dashboards. The transparency of this program and the label system fosters a healthy competition among all the partners. Now let's move on to the marketing development funds. Okay, the marketing development funds, which is called MDF, right? This particular feature, it allows the company to allocate funds to their partners for a joint activities. We do a lot of joint activities with the partners, right? Now the partners can request the MDF, submit their plans, and they report on the outcome of the marketing campaigns within the community. This fosters collaborating and align the marketing efforts. The last license that we'll be discussing so far is called Lightning license. Lightning license, basically businesses can utilize tools for building applications and customizing their process with a minimum coding and knowledge. Imagine a manufacturing equipment company, that is MQ, that produce machinery used in various industries. Now MQ has a network of authorized distributors and partners who resell and service their particular equipments. MQ, the company, needs to provide its partner with a comprehensive platform where they can access the products informations, manage the customer inquiries, and collaborate on deals while ensuring the secure and personalized access for both partners and the customers. The first feature is deal experience management. This deal experience management, it enables the creation of engaging online experience tailored to for customers and partners. The digital experience management features enable the MQ, the company, to create a branded platform where the partners and the customers can access the products together, and the documentation, if they have the training material they have, and the support resources they have, they can jointly access together through this platform. This ensures the collaboration by providing unified platform for information sharing. I mean, we have already seen how this feature works in our previous examples, right? So the case management is another feature that we should talk about it here. Case management, it enables the efficient tracking and resolution of a customer inquiries and whatever issues that customers are getting. So with this functionality, MQ, the company, can effectively or efficiently manage and resolve basically these cases and maintain the communication just after receiving a query. Let's understand with a scenario. Okay, suppose a large technology company manufacturing, and they sells a range of hardware products. This includes a laptop, smartphones, tablets, whatever. Okay, they have a network of authorized service center and repair technician who handle the customer warranty claims and product repairs. Okay, here is how it works. Okay, so a company MFG, it sets up a customer portal using a Salesforce Community Cloud. Customer who have purchased their products can log into the portal to submit the warranty. They can claim and request for the repairs, right? When a customer submit a warranty to claim or repair their repairing request, a case is automatically created inside Salesforce system, right? This case include the details such as the customer contact information, the product details the customer has purchased so far, the description that they want to specify. Using Salesforce automated routing and assignment rules, the system assigned the cases to an appropriate authorized service center or the technician based on the features like location of the customer and the product expertise that the executive has, right? So the service center or the technician receives a notification and accesses the case information through the customer community portal. They can communicate directly with the customers through the portal, asking for additional details, relevant details, providing updates on the repair status, or they can request any necessary documents that they want from the customer. Both the customer and the service center technician can track their status of the case in a real time through the portal. Customers can see when the product has been received. Customer can see when exactly it is under repair or ready for the pickup, whatever, right? So all these information are visible in the same place. Once the repair is completed, the technician, suppose it updates the cases through case statuses through inside Salesforce, and the customer is notified immediately. If any parts need to be ordered or additionally work in required, right, the case can be updated accordingly. This particular company can use the Salesforce reporting and analytics tool to track the performance of its services center, like how the service centers are doing, so that they can monitor the customer satisfaction and identify the areas of improvement. Okay, so Salesforce Community Cloud is a very powerful solution that transforms the way the business engage with their customers and partners, and definitely the employees, like, because they are three different licenses that they have. With its array of features, like such as digital experience management that we discussed and the other features that we discussed, Community Cloud empowers an organization to build thriving online communities. So whether you are looking to enhance your customer engagement, or you're looking to strengthen your partner relationship, or you want to facilitate an effective internal communications, right? Salesforce Community Cloud has already covered you. Evaluate your business to the new heights when with the power of community, because when you bring your people together, amazing thing happen, exactly, right? So if you need help with Salesforce implementations, definitely Delipat is there to help you out. So for any queries, please reach out to us. If you want us to implement your Community Cloud for your customer, for your partners, for your employees, please let us know. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.